That's the number plate relocator from Lluvia. This is how it looks. I have fixed the number plates already. So there are, just give me a moment. So this is how it is. Here is where you have to fix this thing. So I'll be fixing this on the other side and you all can have a look. By the way, this is for the old Dominar, the 2018 Dominar, 17 or 18 Dominar. This will not work with the 19, the 400 UG, the 19 and above. So we'll have to open this one up. What we need for this is a 5 mm Allen key. Notice your finger doesn't come, huh?
Yeah.
Put it here. Focus it here. Okay, where I'm opening, huh? So this is what we have to do on the other side as well. I have done the other side already. Well, I did not have any help to take the video, so I couldn't shoot the other side. I have my son here now who's helping me with taking the video. So once we open this, I'll show you how to fix the connector.
My little bit finger came, okay? Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit tired.
So this is the bolt that comes out, and what we have to do here is we have to put it
What?
like this. This will go in here, but this will go from behind and then screw it up again. So once this starts getting a little tight, then we can align this connector. It should be something like this. So this is how it looks once it's connected. Put it off. So these are the screws we get. So these are all the nuts and bolts that come with the relocator. We'll need 4 of these to attach it here, here, and 2 on the other side as well. So I'm doing the other side. It's the same way. The method will be the same to fix the rest as well. So let's go on to the other side to fix the bolts and show you how to get it done. So there are a lot of washers that come with it. We'll have to put the washers on both the sides. So I'm putting in the washer. It goes in here. So this number plate relocator is adjustable. If you see, the connector that I first put had 3 holes and this has 2. So depending on your taste, you can adjust the holder. So I've put in a washer here, a washer behind, and a nut here to hold this. So I'm just fixing this loosely now. And the same thing on the other side. So the nut, washer, insert this first, put another washer from the other side, and
Daddy,
here goes the bolt.
your head's coming in the way.
Okay, so this is done. Same thing with these, and so that's the nut, washer, sorry, that's the bolt, the washer. Repeat the same thing. Another washer here, and then this bolt.
Let's come.
So this is how it would look. Now all we need to do is get a wrench and tighten these nuts, and we should be good. And the same thing on this side as well. Just hold this with the wrench and tighten this slightly. Same thing with the next one.
Move here. Go this side.
Okay. This is how it should look. So basically the connector, you have to open this and fix the connector, which is this connector from inside, and then on the connector there are 3 holes to adjust your height. You choose any 2 holes and fix them up like this. Same thing on the other side. I just need to tighten this, and the end result is this. This is how it should look. I hope this video was helpful, and if you did like the video, then leave a like and a thumbs up and subscribe if you wish to. That's all for today. I hope this helps you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.